Okay, our session is now on recording. So I believe all of us here we have an account and we have joined a group and we've been actually participating. So I just hope Adnaka will join this session because he's the one that's been organizing you guys. So while we are organizing ourselves to talk about our various projects, let me do small tutorial here while we wait. Okay, why I decided to do this little exercise is because within me, I just felt that some of us might not know how to share their work outside here so that they can use it outside this environment. And to do that, this is the agent we created, BA agent we created for this class, for this training. So let's say you finish building your agent and you want to use it externally. You know, I realized we didn't talk about it because this is where you go. From here is where you see this code sign. This is from where we share our work outside. So if you come here, you click on it, it's going to show you this environment. So
hello, Django.
This is where please put yourself on.
I will call him. I'm on the meeting.
Mr. Don, you are disturbing the class. Yeah. So if you click on this environment, you're going to bring. Can you guys see this dialog box? Can you see the dialog box? I'm talking to a group of people.
Yes, we can see.
Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
So once we are in this dialog box, this is very important because if some of you you finish building this thing and you cannot consume it outside, or your customers or your workplace, they can't use it outside, it doesn't make sense. So from here you say embedded. This is an embedded. So if you copy this, you can go to your website and embed it. You can create a page and embed this code and it will start working on your website. This is embedded. So if you are using Python, so these are so many ways you can embed it. It can become a pop-up from here. If you embed it, somebody open your website, it's going to pop up and start chatting the person, can say hello. So here is a full page embedded. So you can create it here. This is a full page. So for instance, if I go to DTBS, I can create a page of it. And let me say, I go to DTBS page now. So if I want, I can then come down here and create a page. You see here, these are all these things are pages. So I can come say ask us any question from here, any kind of question or customer support. I can come here and say customer support. If it's customer support agent I created, I add a page, call it customer support and embed it. So If somebody just click customer support, a page like this is going to open. Like this is about us page. So if you open it like this, it's going to be this embedded stuff that you are going to see. And from there, you can ask questions. But with this, at least you know basics of how to build a website, which is not easy, which is not difficult anyway. But you can add it. So you see so many, anyone who has basic knowledge of building a website should be able to do this. So it's not difficult. So your organization, you might finish creating this for your organization and they tell you want to add it to our website, or your client, see that is it. You just tell the developer who is managing their website to embed it as a page. So that's it. So this is for embedding as a page. This is React. React is a form of a programming language. This one is HTML, it's a programming language, but this one is React. So this one is going to be on React website. And this one is going to be full page of React. If your website is on React, it's built on React. But if your website is built on HTML, just like this, our website here is built on HTML. So this is the one we're going to use, the HTML, not the React one. So you know, so you see it's two versions here. This one is React and this one is HTML. Most websites is running on HTML. There's only few websites that are running on React, like Facebook page. Facebook web application is running on React. So if you are kind of working for Facebook and they want to create a page of this kind of AI agent, is going to be this kind of code. So that is it if you want to embed it. And this is for Python. You know, if you know how to use Python, you can use this one. This is JavaScript. If you are building on JavaScript, your website is built on JavaScript, you use this one. So these are mainly for programmers. They understand it as the programming languages. So I'm not going to start teaching but if you, most of the time you are going to be working as a prop engineer, at least you have a developer who must know all these things you are going to work, because you can't work on this isolation. But if you are the only person working alone, at least you should be able to embed it on websites, basic HTML. This is a call. So this one, I don't know how to do this one, but this one, this particular one, is the easiest way you can start sharing it. So this is a web link. So with this, it can open on any browser, and person can just say, you can copy this and equally add it on your front page. For instance, this here, I can copy this page and come here and come to my front page here. You know, from here, like this place, I say join for free. I can, you know, bury the code on this join. I can change this, ask question. So once you click on this join for free, it's going to take you to the page where you can start chatting us. For instance, here, if you look at this here, it has opened on another page for us where we can start. You can see it here. So that is it. So from here, you can start starting with the AI you've created, the AI agent you created. And for instance, here I see, hi, yeah, Sango. So, so It's taking time to come, but yeah, it's started there. You see, so you see here, I'm now outside our environment. I'm outside our environment. You see, it's already started chatting me, but it's not responding to my hi because it's programmed on only business analysis. It cannot talk to you in any other thing except when you're talking business analysis. Outside business analysis, you are not going to get anything from this particular AI. It's purely business analyst. So you can't just come and start asking him about any generic. He's not going to, yeah, see here, thank you. I don't see any specific requests or content provided to proceed. Yeah, it's telling you that I'm a business analyst. Yeah, so that is it. That's how you can share it. So with this, you have created an AI, and that's it. If you want to build it in a mobile application, for those developers, it's very easy to transform it into mobile. And if you go, people can start telling you that, yeah, I built AI business analyst, and it's on Play Store. And once you go there, and you can start using it, they can even use it to make money, but that is it. So this particular can equally be using API to power it via any mobile application we want to power it. But basically, this is it. At this point, you have built it and it has been tested. So if anywhere the company want to use it, you have done your own job. So they have a developer, the most beginner developer can do all these things I've just explained. So yeah, so that is it about this your AI, the way you are going to consume this your AI in production environment. So that's it. And for those who join, is from here. Once you click here, it's open. So that is how you are going to share your AI agent for people to use it or for company to use it. So that's it. I hope we are ready to, if you have any question, you can ask question. Or I hope we are ready for our presentation. Everything we need to talk us through about what we are doing. So I think for now, I don't think I owe you anymore. You are the only person that is owing yourself a duty here. I've taught us how to build a prompt engineer, how to build a prompt, how to use it, how even to use it to create, to build an app, because this thing you are seeing is an application, is an AI application. AI agent is an app. So you have used it, you can create an app on it. So if you are serious, then you should be able to come and tell us what you guys have achieved within the last 1 month. Oh, sorry, 1 week. I met with you guys last. Any question or any person who want to present? Yeah, we are here. Any of the team? I know we have ourselves in teams. So
So someone hands is up. Oh.
A moment. I said, Mr. Don, do you have a question? Or you want to present for your team? Want to tell us what you guys have done?
Thank you, Mr. Charles. It's not a question, neither is it a presentation. I wasn't there in the last class anyway, for some obvious reasons, that I came back trying to do a catch-up. I think there's a whole lot of issues with the groups and the groupings and what's expected as regards subscriptions. Initially, there were a whole lot of confusions on the subscription for the ChatGPT, for the Flowise and API. A lot of it we are mixed up, and I think a good number of us are still grappling with the separation of all those areas. It took me time to get that separation before I now got a group where we have started, but I've not really finished up. I still need to subscribe for the API keys to be able to conclude on the agent building. And from the responses on the chat group, I could see that a whole lot of people are still grappling with that. So I wouldn't know what we do from that, or probably extend the presentation maybe to the next class. Because the experience I'm seeing is a whole lot of people are still finding it difficult to separation. GPT, Flowise, API keys.
Well, let me respond to what you are saying. Number one, you say you are not in the last class. So if you are not in the last class, you should be able to watch videos.
I've seen the videos.
So if you have watched the video, you should have seen how I explained everything. And the subscription is the most simplest thing to do. We have two things to do here. I say we subscribe on Flowise, and we subscribe on developer OpenAI. These are two areas I ask us to subscribe, so you can get your key, and you saw me where I went to get the key. I told everybody, if you want to get the key, this is how you are going to get key. You have to pay. I show you my account, how you going to do that. I told you how you are going to get their subscription in Flowise, which is the most basic thing. And then I asked you people to form a group to do it as a group, so that it's going to reduce the cost for you guys. So what is so difficult there? I don't get it. What is the complexity there?
It might not be for some of us who have put through, but I was speaking based on other reactions on the platform.
Any other person who is struggling, that is why I say, ask your question. And the platform is there. I didn't say anybody who is struggling. That's why we have a platform. That platform is for issue resolution. And I see Odinaka was always there responding to people. So I don't think there is confusion there. If you guys say, if you are not ready to present, I don't think it's because of the confusion of subscription. So that is my own. I don't think it's a subscription issue. And anybody who believes is confused, then you speak up. If you are confused about subscription, you speak up. But you are not going to say the class need to be moved next class because everybody is confused. I don't believe anybody is confused here. You are not ready, good and fine. Say you guys are not ready, but saying you are not ready because you are confused, I disagree with you. And if you miss a class, that's why we put on recording. If you don't watch the video and you miss a class, it's not our problem, it's yours. Yeah. So, but if you are not ready to, if we are not yet ready, because this class is not forever, and I'm not gonna come all the time to be doing this. As a matter of fact, People here should be looking for a job already. The next thing I'm going to do is to produce a CV for people to go and look for it, because I'm finished, I'm done with this class. And you people have refused to show that you learn it, good and fine. But everything we thought is documented, is there on the paper, on the video. So if you cannot perform, it's not because it wasn't properly taught or it wasn't properly documented, is because you refuse to do what you are supposed to do. This AI engineering is not a rocket science. This is very simple, because what we are doing here is drag and drop. It's not like we are typing code. We are not building any code ourselves. It's a drag and drop, very easy. So any team who don't want it because they don't want to, not because of anything, you know, and I'm not gonna come and start forcing people to do that. You know, if it's in secondary school, I'm a secondary school teacher, I might be harassing people to, it's my duty to parents them in a way for them to do what they are. But I can't be come here and be parenting parents. Yeah. Chidima Itoje.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
So, group 1 is ready to present. Just our group leader is trying to log into this video call with his laptop. So please just give us a few minutes for him to log in.
Okay.
His laptop so he can present for us.
Okay, let me stop presenting so that whoever wants to present can show what they have done. Okay, why Chidema and Co is waiting to show their work? Tochukwu, Umoke, you are raising your hand. How can we help you?
Okay. Good evening, Mr. Charles. Good evening, everybody.
Yeah, good evening.
Okay. Yes, my group 10, we are very sick, and we've all made everything available. Just that our dollar card, they're having dollar card downtime. Literally all the dollar card downtime is just everywhere. Gray, Clever. So we've not been able to get our Flowise subscription done because of it. But once they resolve the downtime.
What is it? Yeah, carry on.
Once the downtime of the card comes up, once they resolve it, we'll move forward with our group stuff. So that's where we are stuck.
Okay, but you should have raised this issue. Did you raise the issue on the platform?
Yes, Odinaka is aware of it.
Okay, I don't know why Odinaka is not here. Odinaka should be here.
I'm here, sir.
Yes, so if you are here, you have been working with these guys on this, so you should be the one as well responding to some of this. Yeah, but it's okay. But what I'm saying is that we don't have the whole period to be waiting that whenever you are ready, you call me and I will come and show. Because the purpose of coming here to show is if we see anything wrong, or we can quickly say, okay, you didn't get it here, this is where you get it. I don't have time to be doing this all the time. So that's why we should be ready. If the session is over, the session is over. That is it. So the purpose of you to come here and showcase what you've done is that if you did not get it, you have the opportunity to be corrected. Okay, the people that want to showcase their work, we are still waiting for them. Even if it's only one team, at least it's something.
Good evening, Mr. Charles. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, if you want to talk, you raise your hand so we can see you. Okay, team one.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
My name is James, and I'm representing Team 1. So we are
Mm.
5 in the team, and we were all able to like create our individual AI agents. And me
Okay.
personally, I created um, an HR recruitment screener AI agent.
Okay.
So, can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure. You are the platform is all yours. As a matter
All right,
of
thank
fact,
you.
all of us are following you now.
Okay, can everyone see my screen?
Yeah, it's showing, but you still need to go to a specific. Yeah, sure. We can see your screen.
Okay, so each of us, we all created our individual AI agents. It was actually not
Okay, let's
difficult.
see the whole agent. Say all of you. So let's see how many agents we have here on this platform.
Okay. So,
No, you just yeah, sure. That's what you need to, yes. Yeah. Okay. So you guys are 5, and there you can see
yes,
we have
we are
we have
actually 5, but
yes.
we created when we first started, we were using the default workplace before we now realized that we could create our individual workspaces. So you can see our names here.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
that is the way it's supposed to be. And
yes.
the purpose why I say the you people should be in a group, because as an AI engineer, which you are now, very soon you are going to get a job, and this is how the work environment is going to be for you. You're going to find yourself in an environment like this with you and other agents, developers, project manager on a platform like Flowise like this, where you guys will be working on different agents, creating different agents for the company, how they want to do it. And that is the experience I want to give you, so that even if you go for interview, this thing you've done here like this, if you close your eyes, even if I wake you up from, you should be able to tell me how you can do this, and you can quickly come here. If I say this is an interview, okay, demo something for me, you should be able to log in here and do some demo. But if you did not do it, if you think it's easy, if you have not done it before, it's not gonna be as easy as you think. So well done, and carry on to one of your agents you guys created.
Okay. Okay, so this was the one I created before I logged into my own personal workspace. So this is my own personal workspace, but this was the one I created initially.
Yeah, we want the group one. Which
Yes,
one do you want
so
to show us?
I want to show you the this was the one I did personally.
Yeah, the one you are presenting for your group. Yeah, if you did it personally, but you did it for the group, is it not the one you did for the group?
For the group, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because like we said, everybody need to create an agent so that
Yes.
you know that this is my effort, this is my work. It's not a
Yes.
group work. Yeah, it's a collective. The whole platform is a collective work. All the work in that is owned by the group. But you should be able to say, I own this work in our group. And that's what I wanted. So you can show us and let's see.
Okay, sir. So I just using the old method you taught us last week.
So what is the
Using-
concept? What do you want to use this? Is a HR recruitment?
Recruitment,
screener?
yes.
Now tell us what solution do you want to use this agent to solve?
Okay. I think based on the template I imputed, I think it's to solve
You know, you are not thinking, you are not being authoritative about your work.
all right, sorry, sir. It's to help review CVs and resumes, help analyze job descriptions and job requirements, help match candidates to their roles, help to score and rank candidates, help to create short lists with clear reasons, help identify skill gaps and red flags, help summarize candidate strengths and weaknesses. So, you know, the whole concept is when talents try to like see a job and they try to like send in their CVs. So that's what this AI agent is to help do, to help review CVs and resumes and things like that. So it helps,
Yeah,
I think.
so it's now assisting the human resource
Yes,
department.
it's assisting a recruitment agency. If,
Yeah.
for instance, if they ask me to help them to build an AI agent to like automate their workflow, so it will help them to review the CVs and resumes rather than it's being done manually.
Good. So
Yes,
you
sir.
can, all of us can see clearly what you are bringing to the table. If an organization wants to, so if it takes them a week to review, because that is a big headache to them, all the agencies or human resources, the amount of large, if they want to receive CVs, you see amount of people that submit CVs, it takes time. At times they use application tracking system to reduce it, but even at that, a lot of them will still, so it's not an easy task for them. This is one of their biggest headache. So if we can develop something like this that will help them, automatically an AI engineer, a prompt engineer, and a business analyst, because business analysts will solve problems. So you've already solved a big problem for them. And if people are complaining there is no job, if you can like, the only thing here is that the way you are presenting, you are kind of scared by I think. No, you in an environment where you are given opportunity to sell yourself, you don't say
Yes,
you
sir.
think. You tell them authoritatively what your agent is doing, capable of doing, what is bringing to the
Okay, sir.
table, what's cutting edges and things like that. So that's good. Let's test this and see what can do for us.
Okay. Let me.
No, I expect you to have a
Yes.
test, a list of test
First
cases.
question. Yes.
When you can't just come here and be writing. So
Yes,
yeah.
this is the ChatGPT plan we did. So I wrote them here. I'm trying to look for the ones.
This is not a professional way of doing your job. If you finish a job and stakeholders are here waiting for you, you can't be dragging them to your ChatGPT where you do the dirty work. You should have a document, a template where all this work are, and that is it. So you don't make this mistake again. When you have opportunity, don't start dragging them to where you refine your prompts, where and ChatGPT is chatting and trying to get the right. So you don't do that. It's not professional.
Sorry about that, sir.
No, that's why I want you people to demo, because I want to make corrections. Okay, I can see you, based on what you explained, you said here, this is HR recruitment screener agent. So if you are recruiting, you must be able to upload the CVs you want to screen. Is that not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, well, you are now telling the AI to create a CV. No, you have to first embed some of the, like, all the work you want the AI to do for you before. Yes, so, but you don't have any CV here.
Yes. Yes, so I don't have a sample.
So there's no way, or I can see, yeah, I like the concept. It's very good, but you still need more refinement. You still need to refine your work a little.
Okay, sir.
That's a nice start. So it's a good beginning. You have to.
Thank you, sir.
You have not arrived, but the point here is that you have started a journey. You have now known, yes, you're on the right track, but you continue to refine to make sure you perfect yourself in which agent you created, or any agent you want to create more, or on the general concept of agentic AI. Yeah.
Yes.
Well done.
And I also noticed the questions, but like when you ask the AI agent questions that are not really related to the template you've given it, it doesn't really answer. It will tell you that it's not programmed.
Yes, that is where why we are creating agent like this for workplace is because it's not for playing around. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
If you're in the workplace, in so many ways, they might not even want you to be using ChatGPT. But because ChatGPT, you can be working and you can be playing around, doing a lot of things, and that might be distraction. but you have a particular agent that is supporting your work. Yeah, that agent has been, configured to do the work you want within your environment. So removing any kind of distraction from work environment. Because ChatGPT can become a big, all these generic AIs, it can be a very big distraction. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so that is it. And well done. I don't know. Let's at least we can see you guys have done something. Let's see if we have other team that want to do something. I can see Mr. Ebere Samson raising hand. Let's see if they have something to offer. Mr. Samson, you have a question or you want to present or what? Why are you raising your hand? Mr. Samson, we can't hear you. Yeah, I don't know if it's me. I cannot hear you. I don't know if other people are hearing you, but me, I can't.
We can't hear him.
His voice is inside. His voice is inside.
So, yes, it might be from your device. I don't know, but I know you are speaking, but it's not coming out. Okay. Yeah. Well, I'm happy at least we have a team that understand what we are doing. Team one, from what they showcased us, shows exactly that they understand the whole concept. Everything we taught here, they followed it up and everything. That's why you see their work looks very well. It looks like, you see the environment, it looks like AI or IT engineering workplace. You see a lot of developers, a lot of engineers in one place working collaboratively. This is a beautiful environment. So if you and your team cannot do something like this, at least you see it's the same class, the same content, the same period, and they're able to deliver their own. So you have to. So, because like I said, I'm not coming back again to tell you to come and showcase us. The next class I'm going to have with you for us to discuss about CVs. So, yeah. Mr. Ifeanyi, yes, you want to present for your team? Mr. Ifeanyi is the Igwe. Okay, Mr. Ifeanyi that is raising hand is not coming forward. Well, I think I've done whatever I want to show you guys. The purpose is for you guys to come and share your work and ask questions, but yeah, no one, most of the team, because it's not only one team, we have a lot of team, and most of you do not want to come forward, and you don't have question, you don't have anything to contribute. You just log in here to come and
Hello?
come and watch ourselves. We don't fine. We stay fine.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry about it was my settings. I was trying to ask a question about downloading your videos so that I can watch them offline. But it was very difficult for me. I don't know how you can direct me to do that.
Our video is not downloadable. It can only be watched on our platform.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
So, but we used to open it up on YouTube so that people can download it via the YouTube. So, but there's a lot of abuse, which I decided not to do that again.
But
So,
I hope they will always be there whenever we
yeah,
want
because I will not allow people to be downloading my video and be using my video to be creating content on YouTube and Facebook. So I don't do that. So that's why I don't make my video downloadable again. Because people have been downloading my video and using it to make content.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, everyone. And we're going to see. Okay. Yeah, you just wake up from sleep.
Mr. Charles. Good evening, Mr. Charles. Can you hear me?
We can hear you, Madam Amaka.
Okay, there is something I built a few days back, and I would love to share it with the group. I'm trying to share my screen.
Is it our work? You see, there is something
Yes,
you did.
yes.
If is it our work within your group? Is it your group work?
My group is actually having problem with subscription. I think that someone actually mentioned it here.
How you are not having problems and your group is having problems. So
I use the
whatever you have done well within your own, you should go and help your group to do it very well. We are not here for individual showcasing. I want group work.
Okay.
If you're not a group work, I'm not listening to you. You should be, why we are here is for the group, not for individual. If I have any question, I can answer your question. But to come and showcase me what you've done individually, no. I want a group work.
But sir, you say you won't be coming back again as regards
So
to
is it my duty? Is it my fault that you could not work in a group while I asked you to work in a group? How can your work be perfect and your group work is not working?
I said I use the free version. Okay, don't worry.
I'm not, I want a group work, that is the purpose of here. We are not interested, it's like a company work. What have you and your is an internship. You and your group doing internship. Show us your work. We are not interested in your private work. Because you are going to work in a company. We want to train you to work in a company as a group, as a team, not as an individual. I'm sorry if I'm being mean, but you have to be disciplined in my class because that's the only way our standard has to be high. I don't take anything from you. If we need to build a high standard, people that can represent us in the AI industry we are building, because we are building it is a new industry. And we start from now, all of us, the standard is poor. It's going to affect all of us. Every amount of money we have invested, everybody is investing in this AI industry. It's just like Nollywood. Some people build Nollywood to a standard. It's just like software engineering. Some people build it to become what it is on high standard. When it comes to Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, people build it to become a standard. If they are playing around, it wouldn't have been the way it is. AI is a multi-billion industry. If you go to America, the richest people now in America are AI engineers. They did not become the richest, dominating the world by playing around the way we are playing around like this. As a matter of fact, we are just playing around in a not multi-billion, multi-trillion dollar industry. You know? So, me as I'm here, I have a lot of application already. I'm building on AI. I'm building a marketplace where people can come and sell their prompts. I told you guys it's one of the hottest this thing that's going to be available. And I've already started building one already. Because I know one story. This is a new industry. I want to be among the pioneers, people that will benefit. In any way people need to leak hand in this AI industry, I want to be among the people. But if you want to play around, it's up to you. You think I learned this AI in the university? I did not. As a matter of fact, by the time when we graduated from the university, there's nothing like it. They are not started talking about AI. So all of us here, the way you are is new to you, is the way it's new to, but I have to. I spend time. I spend resources learning it. Not learning how to know it, but how to teach it and how to build it and turn it into a company that can bring revenue for me, employ other people, and bring revenue for other people as well. So anyway, like I said, we are all adults here, and everybody who paid to be here, they have a reason why they want to be here. So I don't want to sound like I'm your father here or your mother. If it's in secondary school, I can even flog them. But here, I will fashion my mouth before people will say that I'm even because started insulting them. So yeah. Thank you for joining tonight. Like I said, next time, come here for us to discuss about our CVs and job opportunities in the industry. And so thank you and see you next time. Yeah. Yes.
Thank you.